about. Alright guys, on the bricks here, first I'm gonna widen these cracks a little bit so I can have enough concrete going in between. It goes on top. But I'll do this section here that I can reach. Just gonna do it with start with a hammer. Again, you have to wear safety glasses here. And then if the hammer doesn't work, you can always use a hammer and chisel. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with a hammer. And I'll continue all my way down to the end. You see this root, I have to get rid of this root. I'm gonna have to bring my tallest ladder here. This is a short one. Alright, I have to reposition myself here. I could have used a grinder, but the cracks are pretty wide, so it's easier with a hammer. Alright guys, next I'm gonna do the joints here on the brick wall, and same thing on top over there. I'll start with this one that I can reach. concrete, it's not too wet, it's not too dry. I just want the concrete to get inside pretty good. If it was too dry, it wouldn't get in. All right, let's see if I can reach a little bit further. Otherwise, when I do the other section, when I bring the ladder here, I'll reach. I can't reach this one.